Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Colorado Z71 extended cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9357A. 56,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Colorado brand new. Brownstone metallic in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Colorado seats 4, cloth interior, rear defrost for excellent visibility, soft tonneau cover, Z71 Off-Road suspension, includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Extended cab doors on both sides of the truck. This Z71 has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control along with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the under the hood. This Colorado has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimate can average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Colorado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.